Welcome to the Ins Podcast, ladies and gentlemen. Sibuyile again. Purple Share Party, Mr. Two Blast Obe Stress. Ikanje. Take machiteni.
Thank you, Mr. Too blessed to be stressed. It's your uncle.
Thank you, Maluma.
Guest is a papa.
Yes, God. Jeez. Thank you, Siyabonga. We just want to say thank you once again, guys, for the love, man, and the subscription. Keep them coming. You know what is shit on October. We are pushing for that 10K subscribers. Please do subscribe. Spread the word. Don't just like, and make sure that you subscribe so that YouTube can push our content. So I see pushing your fair too. See like it and pasha, and then subscribe and become part of the family. Anyway, I'm having it on any years. I'm out. It's a cheating. It's Wednesday. Don't get out in.
Akangqobo bafethu. Awuna manga.
Ngiyehlisile. Ngayehlisa kakhulu Nick. Qala phansi intro yakho vele sithathe ekuqaleni. Hlela nembali escreenini. Imashe kakhulu namhlanje. Lasiveza kanje ku-episode asikhathi mfowethu. Oza shule danke machitini.
Senganje andile akangqobo esimahasholo Shulex Mesenot. Imina leyo lesithatha amaji. Hayi bosebenze lesithatha.
Sawona
lesithathu.
Bona bazayibamba ngolesithathu.
Ngiyaxolisa. Hayi mfethu ayithi phela ile nto yakho ukuthi yabo but it's fine.
Ngathi uzentetake ukuthi awugcwane yazisazi.
But otherwise bafethu sesibuyile sikhona sikanje umahashulu kanje uShulex ukhona izinja zami ikhona nazo la ngemumva mfethu showcase.
Thank you,
Shulex. Yes. Isazi.
Sase not.
Shulex Mesenot. Ola njaya.
Hola futhi, thank you.
Mhlobo.
But boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, uTeddy Waganzama, also known as uTeddy Weko.
No ponchisi. Thank you mzala.
Thank you, mhlobo.
Angithi thank you good, thank you Buddha Sheffield.
Ngithi thank you
Thank you,
for
Futu Coffee. Welcome to the Ace Podcast, ladies and gentlemen. Kamunkanyisa Nqome, your co-host. Sibambile la ngemuva nama-out. Shulex, ulesithatha ama-out.
Ngiyabanga mfethu.
Okay. Thank you, people Shepiri.
Shout out, my auntie. Welcome to the Ins Podcast, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you once again for tuning into the Ins Podcast. Well, it's Carlos and Zwagele. Y'all been crying online. Sanilethele omunye usisila owafika waphoshoza la nagcwala ngaye nathi ekuse kumele niphinde nimbuyise lo sisi. We really need to know more about her and siyamncane. Well, iKarlos enizwakele siyasiniphinde futhi before unyaka suvale ngayo ukanje. Hayi akekho munye. Your favorite Indian.
Ngisadidele
Welcome
Dake
back.
wathi dake wadanse dake ngobhoshi kuningi nje kasephila nje kaphethizela
Ungasenzi kanjalo.
Bamba ubhotshisi.
hayi ngenhlamvu nje yekofi Sengiyekile. Wow, thank you. Hello, world.
Okay.
I'm good. How are you?
Great, man.
Yeah, hey, bafethu.
Bingelela Thobeka ubingelele.
Sanibonani. Hi, everyone. I am back. Angazi ngoba zonke indaba zami zilala bafethu. Ayikho into engingakubuza yona engingakayazi.
No, let's go back, man, to the episode. Start khona nje first. The whole episode. Why man?
Oh, I enjoyed it when I was watching it, and also the engagement from people, how everyone received it was very touching. It was also lovely as well to see that people are sort of relating and some people are healing as well. It was a great thing. I actually enjoyed it. Thank you guys for that. I think I never got an opportunity to thank you, gentlemen. That was really nice. I enjoyed that.
So which part?
Danke Majidi.
Shut up.
Oh,
Shut up.
clock it, wait.
Why? Anyway, shut up, man.
Yeah.
So, Fitz, what was like the thing on Fitz wife funda cool episode?
Ooh, the power of healing and forgiveness as well. I think also there were just a lot of DMs that I got from ladies, who were sort of sharing their stories as well. And I really do think, because I never really wanted to sort of drive the narrative of me sharing my, my past experience. However, receiving Lulia Tand and also just receiving people having to be comfortable enough for them to say, hey, listen, it happened to me when I was also a child. And how do I then move forward from that? It was such a great experience. And I think also I would really love to in the future to open a foundation to sort of help women and men as well, because everyone, they are different victims. So it was really nice. And also I just watched your guys' last week episode with a lady that was here. It was really, really nice also to watch, yeah. And I learned a lot also from that.
That's good. Shout out to you because ngaphandle wakho mfethu lwasisubenge, I guess, because sibonile ukuthi yazi ukuthina sithola umuntu onolwazi olukhulu azosifundisa, because lento sathi masibuka when we're checking even kuma-comments all of abaningi mfethu bebeyenza ijoke le ndaba and sabona ukuthi baningi abantu abangafundiseki ngalento.
Right.
Sathi yazi ukuthina silethe umuntu ozolokhuza asifundisa about that. Shout out to you. So I also want to know, bro, in terms of like, like my comment, didn't you get like triggered when you see the comments of people making fun of that situation?
No. Being in the face, in front of the world rather, I never really focus on the negative, because there's always a story behind every negative comment. And I think with Umusa Nkulunkulu and the wisdom that I got from, Nkulunkulu also, I never look at situations, okay, this is happening now, this is just a bad comment and I should focus on it. I always focus on the person behind it. Because no, there is no normal human being who would take something like that and think it's funny unless there's something wrong, So I think my heart goes out to those people. And I do hope one day someone will shine some light into them so they can be able to sort of have empathy or sympathy. Yeah.
Message on that for them before we carry on, because I feel like also probably you got something to say, to them.
It's okay.
Yeah.
We're here. If you want to talk, if you need help, shout out.
Shout out.
Yeah. It's available to you as well.
Thank you.
And you're deserving as well of help or assistance.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Shout out to you, man. With that,
Sure.
Man, where are you mentally right now? What's going on, bro?
Sorry. Ngiyadlala I'm pushing it probably.
Ukhona uShulex uno-connection. Shulex awenzi plan. Awenzi plan uShulex.
Awufollow mfethu. Awufollow mfethu.
Awuqobo omkhulu mfethu.
Awubuze ngiyakuthakazelela la mfethu.
Sunday. Look, Sundays, we look at the demo.
Oh, mfethu ngawotishile la. Yazi uma idols ubasakhona la bengiphakathi. Esithengisho. But again, no, right now just really just trying to create some stability for myself and for the future that I want for when I'm 40 or 50. You know, I really would love to have a family and get married and all of that. And one thing I noticed and one thing I sort of paid attention to is that those things require stability.
True.
And so that's what I'm sort of trying to pursue right now, is to get to a place where I'm financially stable, emotionally stable, mentally stable, you name all of
So how does stability look like? Ooh.
Stability looks like provision, peace
From
my point of view.
all the
Yeah. And that's what it looks like. It's like manginemali ukwenza noma yini. Mangifuna ukwakha umuzi etabeni ngizowakha. Mangifuna ukuthenga i-BM ngizoyithenga. Mangifuna ukuya kwi-therapist nje ngiyohlala ngixoxe ngibhodle ngizokwenza. Mangifuna ukwakhela umama nobaba umuzi ngibathengele their dream house. I'll be able to do that. You know?
okay.
Type of a thing. So yeah. Kanjalo.
So that's stability.
For me, it's different for everybody.
Not for me. I would stand as a sister. No.
I mean, that's not a bad idea because, you know what, maybe other women enjoy this 110% of independence. It's
No, you don't.
okay. No, I mean, I grew up in a home where my parents were married. Like, I saw my dad play a very big role in, you know, in assisting, and I saw my mom also, you know, pulling through as an easy. So, I don't see a problem. I'd love that.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm that girl.
No, I'm not gonna ask you your mbuzo.
Ayungalinga juzu.
But
Ngoba ngizophila ngiqale phansi ngikhaze.
no, it's fine. Don't worry. So I cause so we
Hallelujah.
and so that's why I was asking what does stability look like for you, you know? But I'm glad that you want to make your own go up and which is very good.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Uphila ngaze mezofunda Michael House. Yes, ngisho.
True.
Ni bufakazi ukuthi ngayisho lento.
Mfethu uyapilivela kule mpahla ukuthi ingane kumele ziyofunde ey'koleni ey'bizayo. Lo mbuzo futhi ngiwubuza kuthina sonke. I'd really like to hear our point of view.
I think, yeah, I really do. I mean, I went to a public school, right? There was not a lot of programs, you know, that was sort of giving us options. Because if you take your child to a private school, option. Whether they want to pursue sports, it's provided. Whether they want to pursue playing an instrument or nan, there's not like a specific one thing which focusing and what. Also, the creativity side of a child is also explored because children are different. So you would always be able to have options. You can be a doctor who plays the piano. You know? You can turn it into like a side hustle or even turn it into just like a hobby.
Yeah.
You know, because it's important when we grow old. Right now, if I'm not working, you know, and then I end up overworking myself because I'm just trying to create these cards, you know, fill in these gaps where I could just be playing tennis or I could be playing golf or I could be playing rugby or whatever the case is. So it sort of gives, it creates regulation. So that's very important when it comes to children, to regulate a child. Yeah, and it's the same. That's why that's regulation, to create that sort of rhythm. That's how people live. That's how people function as well. And so I believe in it so much because it gives options. Like my cousin's daughter, it's a dude in a scheduling and she's only like in grade 5. Udlala iflute, udlala piano, mebuya esikoleni udlala tennis, like I think it's cards ukuthi iy'ngane zibe nalento esiyibiza elokishini ukuthi there's opportunity for drugs, there's opportunity for all these things. Yes, sure. So it sort of compensates for lezi zinto. That's why you find elokishini if they are trying to create some programs ukuthi after school at least iy'ngane ziyaphuma, it's either ziyo-act, ziyoyenza i-drama or ziyodlala i-netball or ziyoyenzani. That's what they are trying to do, to compensate for the things that they cannot afford in those public schools. So I definitely do believe in expensive schools.
I mean, I don't, especially now. No, especially now. No, honestly, I'll tell you the honest truth. Yeah, well, especially now. The reason why, I have my reasons when I Asian. Before I used to, you know.
Sure.
Because I Now I understand where the world is going and why it's important
Mm-hmm.
for a kid to learn a skill, especially skill is relevant, that is needed in the market.
Right.
Because lapana esa skill is it's not about ukuthi imfundo yabo blind. It's
Yeah.
culture. Yabo.
Mm.
Culture, bro, yakhona. It's very solid, njengobush.
Yeah.
Because they were able to meet intwana CEO, Mr. Joseph, CEO eThize, yabo. And then you become friends. Later in life, angakusiza in terms of like funding, startups sakho nani. For the sake of relationship, I don't wanna laugh, sharp.
Sharp.
But ukuthi uzozihlambe khona imfundo etheni engconyana khona uzoyithola, that is gonna help you, assist you later. It's difficult now because how the world is moving, too, it's kind of tricky now, you know. But in terms of like building relationships and making sure that intwana yakho futhi set for ayakuyasiza lapho. But nakhona it also gonna depends on ukuthi yini oyifunayo ngentwana yakho ngengane yakho
Yes.
ukuthi kumele ibe kuphi yabo. But other than that, for me,
You know, I mean, ngizovumelana noThobeka yabo. Why? Because I feel like ngasekhaya mina I've seen so many people before ngize ngingene kuma experiences zami nempilo engiphilana.
Right.
I've seen so many kids ngasekhaya zithola ama scholarships because I believe ukuthi nowadays, bro, lento ukuthi uzokhula kuthiwa hamba usebenza and you think you become
be
a
set.
CEO and what.
Sure.
Bro, right now abantu abanemali emhlabeni abantu abasebenzisa talent. There's more money there, bro. Because about the minute uqala uthi uyovula company, it means uzovula company uzothatha bonke labantu bane-talent ukuthi bazosebenzela wena. Should there always be dependence? Mina into engiyifundisa nganasekhaya today is every time engekhaya ngiyababuza one by one, ufuna ukwenzani, yini ufuna ukuyenza, yini ufuna ukuyenza. Uthanda ibhola, ngiyam-encourage ukuthi aqhubeke ebholeni because there's a lot of money coming to you direct. Then ukuthi uhambe uyosebenza kumuntu ezokunikeza u-9,000, 10,000 a month. You get it?
Yeah.
So you get to make, for example, ngebhola a weekly salary ka 70,000, a weekly salary. So imagine if abadlali bebhola behola 70,000 today, ukuthi in the next 5, 6, 7, 8 years mangabe ibhola selidevelophe kahle. And two, khumbula ukuthi kufundeni ebelungweni, it means i-development iqala khona. Le esiyifunda esiyipreachayo manje ku-government ayipreachayo ukuthi people must be skilled, they must be nurtured in skills, they must be, because they see the gap ukuthi wonke umuntu wants to go to the office.
Yeah.
Awukho umsebenzi. But imagine mase kuthiwa abadlali o-30 abanye bazolandela abawu-10 kamashu bayodlala i-cricket bangagive up njengo-30. It means they have an opportunity ukuthi benze imali engango-500,000 a month. You get it? So there's more money in talent. There's more money in you doing yourself than you wanting to be a CEO of which is okuthatha how many years. Iy'ngane manje ziba successful in music zina 16, 17. Ebholeni 16, 17 umuntu ushaya idebut yakhe yola imali serious. By 19 usiyadrive. You understand ukuthi iy'kole zabelungu they give you that. Lento esingayenzi emakhaya ukuthi noma emalokishini ukuthi mesibuye emakhaya sinesikhathi sonke kuthiwa mbo washa ishirt nani idlala ibhola lapho iyodlala ipiano negitha njengoba esho uThobeka. So that's why I'm saying I differ.
Yeah.
Indlela oyibuka ngayo yabo.
no, it's fine.
I'm not saying you're wrong.
No, I'm not. No, bro, I get it. I understand. I'm not disputing that. You know, hear me out. Because when you ask the question, when I'm looking at me in terms of like in you, bro. Yeah, but now if you understand the studio, you look at the studio. One of these private schools that are under that group is there. How much money they've made, bro? You know, and showing you, bro. So I'm looking in terms of targets. Yeah, well, it's okay, cool. Is it a good investment? Would it make sense now? You know, in the long run, because you don't want to find this. And that's why I'm saying, kungono mo ukuthi uwenza lokho uyazi ukuthi kuse ntwana yami njengoba biyala phana ngiyabuilda la mina. So njengoba ngibuilda la lento engiyibuilda izofika ithola connection laphana abalighted because kuleza indawo leza ayishanisa traffic amalokhuza all the time, all parents wathu uyahlangana ne-CEO yecompany ethize ubungeke ukwazi ukuhlangana na but kuleza indawo uyakwazi ukuhlangana naye yabo. But it depends kuwena njengomzali ukuthi yini oyakha in terms of ukuthi nawe kunento ehlanganisayo then intwana yakho izokwazi ukuthi kuse ithathe lento ibe to the next level. You know, I'm not saying good wrong, you know, but it depends. But mina personally, I wouldn't share my own life.
Shepard depends. Like, dude, that sort of it sort of save time for anything. I could save a lot of time. Ngomusho now ukuthi mufika lapha uhlangana nabantu aba-correct who have izinto ey'right endaweni ey'right. Yabona mfethu ziningi izinto like poverty has cost us so many things. It has cost us people's lives. It has cost people happiness yabo.
Yeah.
And it has cost us time more than anything.
Yeah.
Abazali bethu could not sort of have isikhathi for thina school for them to pay attention to the things that are important. Yeah, izinto engisho ukuthi had mhlambe if my talent was enhanced from when I was younger, ne? Mhlambe ngabe ngikude. Mhlambe ngabe sesingHollywood by now.
100%.
Yeah, izinto engisho.
I agree.
But now I have to fight 10 times more, you know, just to get into the door, dude. And ngokusho now ukuthi if I go to a private school, uyazi ukuthi ingane yakho fethu lana build solid relationships. In the long run, uyazi ukuthi ingane yakho hawu mefuna ukwenza iskill uzosense. Umefuna ukuthi okay fine, and futhi information, it's information.
Chala uthini na Ras?
Hayi uShudex ngathi akaqedi kuningi sakubhodla lapha. Shudex.
No.
Muze shwashwa usefona
No.
Oh, yeah, process.
Nami mfethu
Yeah.
ngikuthanda ukuthi ibe more eside nathobeka.
Sure.
Mina ngizokhuluma in terms of mina ngifunde eKasi. Angithi yabo?
Sure.
And mhlambe manje ngabe ngidlala kuma Proteas.
Sure.
If ngangifunda kule ekole. Right yabo? Because opportunities avelile ukona ngilaphana because umuntu beblind they understand icricket ngendlela esharp.
Sure.
But kuma trials benalento fethu ukuthi kuyoshawa under 17 trials. Yazo. Makuyoshawa yona already ise benamagama wabantu babo from kule ekole ezisharp. Sure. La nina mfana noma kuthiwa mfethu blind kangakanani dog. Igama lakho liyafakwa phansi but kune 15 yabo already. Makulandiwe lo yedwa ophushwe naye through scholarship.
Sure.
Mawuthi usasuke eKasi
Nje wena
uyakhohlwa. One, yini uzoba costa. Because wena kuzofanele sikuthengele uma kits nazo zonke lezi. Wale ngani lezi abazali bazo bazoyithengela bay provide yonke.
So,
Angijabo.
Sure.
So for opportunities, sports, music and everything achithiwe mfethu kumamathi. Angijabo leyo. And njengoba besho mfethu isikhathi ingane mfethu ifana nami nawe shaya u 9 to 5. Sibuya ngesikhathi esisodwa siba mina ngiphuma esipaneni yena iphuma esikoleni. Angijabo asikho lesikhathi lesi sokuthi igalavante
awubuki
nale
ukuzala.
opportunity yabo ama drugs and stuff. Angijabo so opportunities are khona for ingqosi and not only bona and nawe as a parent also njengobusho na ukuthi if now you are building something or doing something uhlangana nabantu abasharp. Sure. Angijabo nikwazi ukuthi push into yabo njengamanje mfethu kunezintwana ezisuka eKasi. Manje izinto they different. Angijabo there more scholarships now asekhona. Esizikhona ko Glenwood DHS Northwood. Angijabo now amathuba akusafana but mozo comparisha leyo ntwana ethola scholarship nale efunde eKasi akhohlwa. Makuthiwa trials yasala le yaseKasi le scholarship yona evaya.
Ngisho twice the next makhaya yini mfethu.
Ublind intoni ngale ndlela ukuthi mfethu awudingi ukwenza izinto eziningi. Ublind but because usuke eKasi and uzoba cost.
Also, let me also add this because I had this conversation with Munim Chetobe drive Ubabo le show said. So imagine because mina ngimtshela and ngempile umbuza ngome umngane wami yabo. So ba rich, yabo. And then ubuza indaba zokuthi how labanje abe rich kanje so ingane zabo but uyibona zenzani. Let me make another example for you to understand ukuthi ezumzali lento ikusizaphi. Imagine I'll call these names yabo. Asikhulumi ngambi. So imagine ingane ya Mpisane goes to school with ingane ka Gaba and they go to the same school nengane ka Mutsepe and Ramaphosa and all these other big guys.
Sure.
Yabo? So there's a time where they go on holidays and labo baba laba they have to be present or abazali they need to be present for ingane zabo. Yabo? When umazi Mutsepe you've never met him but you know ukuthi you guys are in the same field. But it gives you an opportunity ukuthi ngesikhathi sekufuneka kudlala parenting kwi quality le ngane zakho That's when you guys meet. So it's up to you now. Would you decide what you speak business? Obviously, you build a relationship between the two of you guys.
Oh, yeah.
As a bazali, sense good, no good, no good. And then later on in life, you guys can decide, okay, let's go out for coffee. Let's discuss business. But the relationship, so there's bigger things to this than ingane ukuthi
Yes,
esikoleni.
nje. Yes.
Yabo?
No, phela siyavumela angiphikanga na. Uthini
Ah,
bra?
siyasho nathi. We are not
Uthini bra?
against.
Besiphendula umbuzo.
Awuze nalo mbuzo yasive wena uvula.
Ah,
Wena, what's your take
no,
on it?
no, it's something that I've been battling with a lot, yabo, because as much as khona ama opportunities, nakhona still kunama cost akhona.
By all means.
Yeah, you try so much as umzali oqhamuka kule background esiqhamuka kuyona ukuthi uthathe ingane uyifaka ey'koleni zabelungu, yet wena we understand ne-system yakhona ukuthi isebenza kanjani. Next thing, you are working for school fees sale ngane so that uzothola ithuba lokuthi unetwork, yet kunezinto ungayi-afford khona zala esikoleni. Khumbula usawudaki, khumbula asikhulumi ngabantu aba-rich abafundisa iy'ngane zabo. The assumption was not abantu abale, the assumption was for us ukuthi thina as we are, do we see ourselves sihambisa iy'ngane zethu kuma-model schools yini? Because now it becomes a thing ukuthi ngathi ingane yakho ingayofunda kulesa sikole lesiya, but do you know what it takes for you ukuthi uyohambisa uyofundisa iy'ngane zakho kulesa sikole? So then kunabazali abamnyama bayithola kuleyo situation leyo, not mhlawumbe abamnyama, mhlawumbe abaqhamuka kule background yethu, umzali azame ngayo yonke indlela ukuthi ingane yakhe ayi-afford ukuya kuleso sikole. But how do you then take advantage of these opportunities if you do not even know that these are opportunities that are there? Yabo?
Yeah.
Let's say you're trying by all means, because bakhona, like there are real stories of parents who are trying to bafundisa ingane zabo kuma-model school. But parents meeting, you're not driving the right car for ingane yakho ukuthi ihlonipheke. You are dropping ingane yakho awuyilanda uyi-pick up futhi. Kumele uyogibela ama-taxi. Yes, sometimes uyafika, sometimes ama-excuse. Ingane yakho isihlala kuma-aftercare. Sekwenzeka zonke lezi zinto eziphinde zibe inkinga futhi ezenza ukuthi ingane yakho lamathuba la ungakwazi ukwathola. So that's where my thing is ukuthi thina as we are we capable in, because siyafisa ngempela, yabo? Siyafisa. Then mhlambe if sesi rich ngempela ke sesikwazi ukuthi ingane yethu ikwazi uma kuthiwa kune trip nje bebesho mhlambe ele kude, uyayi-afford yini wena okokuqala lo trip nje busasukule so school fees?
I think, okay, maybe I feel like, okay, Sishilo, the part where you also benefit as a parent. But mostly it's about the child, dude, and the future. It's a great investment. I can never talk someone out of it. Because honestly, it's more about my child than it is about me, because Senkuluma also from my life experience also.
Yeah.
It's okay, cool. I did not go to these Model C schools, nan. Even though I have friends who have experience, who are living that life.
But
ne?
we are usually antomangithi phela, and as much as it is about ingane.
Right.
Ingane uma usuyifakile kwi-model school, iyayidinga leya support system emndenini yokuthi ukwazi ukuba ibelonge mase ifika kwi-model school. So not about ukuthatha ingane uyishiye esikoleni, mase mayibuye esikoleni nama-homework nani nezinto ezidingakala esikoleni iyithole lo support endlini.
Right.
So that ukuya kwayo kwi-model school uzokwenza
abazali lapha.
because if that thing does not make sense at home, then it's not going to work.
Exactly. And even if uthi ubaba akekho bamfuna lapho. Ubaba wengane. Fana bekhona.
Ingane mayibuya ku-holiday kumele zicoce ukuthi ekhaya bekunjani, kwi-holiday bekunjani, ubaba wenzani, kwathini.
You're right.
So i-family structure yethu la endlini iyayisupporta yini yonke yini leyo nto leyo. That's my concern.
You guys, I feel like you guys are overthinking it.
Yeah. And also because I've had,
But there is a
Absolutely.
yeah, I mean, I've had Uputam from my car as it is. I've heard Uputam who wafunda Hillcrest High School. They want all those things, yabo. But thinking out, okay, fortunately for him it was a scholarship, yabo. So we're blind with cricket in the then what's all the scholarship kanjalo, yabo. But also you need to understand ukuthi nayo uyaku-understand this amasela lapha. Even my requirements before kuqala isikole bayakutshela ukuthi this is what we're going to require from you guys as a family, and njengoba usho bafuna ubaba, bafuna uma,
Yeah.
bafuna yonke, bafuna wonke umuntu abe-present, ugogo even if ekhona, because that's how abelungu lethu impilo ababhilivela kuyona ukuthi umndeni uqala at a very early stage, loving your family and being part of umndeni fully. You have to start at a very early age. That's why ingane zabo even nasebholeni mawudlalela team yabelungu, they encourage you ukuthi shada usamncane because you have at least you have the reason why you're playing, who are you playing for.
Stability.
Yes. So leyo nto yakufundisa as much sibuka ukuthi discourage if umzali ozofuna ukukhokha ngephakethe lakhe, then nawe phela you have to understand ukuthi angeke ingane vele yofunde belungwini and now you're not sure ukuthi izokwenzeka lento or not. You have to believe first before uzuyikhipha uthi ye khona ukuthi I'll do this and I'll do this to the fullest. If iyangihlula then it's fine, I tried. But if you want to give ingane yakho the best education or the best opportunities as possible as they can get, then umnikeze ama-opportunities ungamnqishi ngokuthi I know but izohamba hambe ngifele. It means you doubting yourself first before
you started.
Yeah.
Because also, Bafethu. Sorry. Bafethu, how? Also, honestly, there's so many things that we complain about, ne? As in mnyama, ne? The reason why it's so chaotic is because the most important thing in a black man's life first, right, is family. Because men are naturally providers, and women are nurturers by nature. That's the thing is sure. So you can't then sifuna ukuyilwisa lento vele sisicaka as a society njengamanje, because that's what everyone now is trying to achieve. Now sifuna create the most important thing that can actually drive us to a greater place. Ukuthi let's create family structures. Let's sort of adopt lezi zinto lezi that are important that can actually motivate us to do better. Because I mean, if inspiration is great, then for sure in the motivation means dude, the sky is the limit. Not anymore, because now we can even go to Mars. I won't think you sure. So I mean, it's a good investment, I guess.
We should go sky less as your limit.
Mina ngifuna uba ne-airline ye-Mars. Ngizondiziza abafethu.
No, but I think to make my point clear, I'm not arguing your point, guys. Ne?
Yeah, no.
That's the reason why I asked this question, because it's one of those ideas that I always think about. Is it better off ngani schooling public school or private school or uvelusha homeschooling straight? Because kumbula we do have that option as well in these days.
Mm.
And the homeschooling, it's way better than anything. Because but into inkinga ngayo, it requires ifamily ukuthi be ne structure serious ukuze ukwazi le nto be
functional.
Meaning which ukuthi wena as a parent you are called to your highest regard now ukuthi wenze sure ukuthi isitori sakho siqondile, so that ingane yakho ikhule ibe ile nto ohalela ukuthi yona okanye yona i-reach potential yayo, ukwazi kuyinikeza wonke ama-resources ewadingayo, ungadependeli kwi-schooling system. Because sesi-outsource kakhulu lento okucabanga ukuthi isikole sizonikeza ingane something or ama-opportunity. But today uyazi ukuthi unemployment eSouth Africa ingakanani. But still we are still thinking ukuthi ngokuyisa kuma-modern school izothola amanye ama-opportunities. Where? Because the unemployment include nabo laba baya kuma-private school abizayo.
Hence we said it enhances creativity, which is talent that does not require you to be employed. That's what we said.
But do you recognize that though as people, or we still into the marching line there?
Yes, we do.
Because it's been working, I guess, for others. So it's still gonna work for us. Even though
but it's our reality, guys. It's reality. It's reality.
And also now, because now homeschooling talk, you need to we understand.
Yeah, I mean, I have now understanding of it.
Uzwazi ukuthi umntwana wakho lokho ukuthi it's not only ifamily, yabo. Kumele we understand ukuthi isuka phi ihamba kanjani. And also nayo lo idinga phela lo teacher lo uzokwazi ukuthi asize ingane yakho throughout yonke into eyenzakalayo. Ukuthi ufundele ekhaya but kunomuntu ofikayo abhekana nayo ayikelezisi izinto. When uyasikhamba uyasiza nje with anything else, but kuba nomuntu okumele umqashe ukuthi akwazi ukuthi ayifundise lengane, because mawuzothi wena izobhana ne-computer lapha ifunde online. Online izinto ezi online, not everything yaspana. Because ukubuke ama-meeting e-social online, no Teams nani. Kunawo ayenza impact, but more physical kanje. It makes a lot of sense. Masi kanje, because zonke into ikhulumeka kanje.
Yeah, we're social creatures.
Angivuma mfiki. But mina ngiyasho ukuthi i-homeschooling ikhona, it's an option nayo and iyasebenza.
Right.
Yabo?
It does.
Inama-pros nama-cons akhona. Nokuthi ingane public school, it's same thing.
Yeah.
Nokuyise private school, same thing.
Mm.
Yabo? It's not about right or wrong, but it's
It's just eye-opening.
yeah, but
conversation.
kodwa more than anything, noma ngathi ufisa ukuyisa yakuphi ingane yakho as a parent, wena as umzali kumele usazi isitori sakho. Ungacabanga ukuthi ngoba naku usukhokhe 100,000 esikoleni, ingane yakho isizophuma i-right inama-opportunities.
Facts.
No, that's true. That's absolutely true. Oh.
Hayi imashe kakhulu.
Hawu,
Yes,
ungayirasha,
Julie.
singaze siyichophe nokuyitshopha ungayirashi nje impahla yokushaya kakhulu. Idinga siyidaje, uyaphuza amanzi.
Uthi but yabo lento esikole bethi manje inkinga kakhulu yabo kuthina ngoba siyibuka ngendlela eziningi sisonke. But the question is, does it solve your problems? You know, that's my thing with everything else, because it's pointless for you to get all the education, but you can't even solve your problems. That is my thing.
I don't even think it has anything to do with education, guys.
'Cause it has-
Mostly it's about mentality.
Yazi
mindset.
sorry yazi cela ukubuyela kule point le benike nayenza ngama opportunities. Okay. So
If you as a parent, you want your kid to have opportunities, kunama-private classes and ama-private lessons ayo yonke lento ongayicabanga. Music, swimming, dancing, sports, anything la ingane yakho ungayisa khona from the youngest age.
Sure.
If ufuna ingane yakho ngempela expand ama-opportunities, ithengele wonke ama-toys ingane izowadinga. Pay attention to ukuthi ingane ithandani, uyisupport, uyinikeze amanye ama-opportunities misikhulile, uyi-expose as a parent.
Right.
But just taking all that responsibility uyi-outsource to a schooling system, iyona into engibona ngathi ukuthi sisabhilivela kuyona ukuthi hey ngeke sicabanga ukuthi lento ka-outsource iyona trick. No, you as a parent you can expose your kid.
True.
But uyise kona wonke nama-private lessons.
Most definitely.
Yabo?
Yeah.
Mina ngiyakuthola bra, ne? But the problem is also sengibuyele esikoleni, who am I having this conversation with? If ngikhuluma nawe and you are not exposed to this thing and now we understand this thing, kuyafana nokuthi ngikhuluma noDonga, akekho uzo-entertaina lento engikhuluma kuyo. So for example, if I have love, ngithanda swimming, ngikhuluma nawe sifunda esibanibani, I was focal in swimming. You're not gonna relate with me.
Yeah.
Lento ayikwazi ukuthi iqhubeke. La esigele la lento into eyenzeka eqala vele ufanyana nifundiswa yona yonke lento. So lento le into eqhubekayo noma isingasekho ezandleni zothisha. Sisodwa i-influence esikwazi ukuthi sinikane sona sodwa siyingane.
Eyibuhlungu.
But uyayizwa ukuthi Teddy le mpahla ithi it's the conversation is mostly about parents abafisa ukuthi ingane zabo kuma private schools hoping that they'll get better opportunities. Yabo? Because we have this belief ukuthi kukhona ama better opportunities angithi. So mina sengiveza le alternative ukuthi you as a parent it's not like automatically usuyinikezile ama opportunity ingane yakho. You can give ingane opportunity ngokuthi uyise kuma private lessons.
True.
Yabo?
Yes. True bro. Mina ngiyakuzwa dog.
Sure.
And lokhu ngakwenza ibe naso leso skill. Izokwazi ukuthi isikole lesefunda kusona imphushe ukuthi ayenze KZN side. Ayenze ini essay. Mase kufika kuma trials lapha akube kusabuka ukuthi wena ublind kangakanani mfethu uphusho uwenza ama private lesson. So sekubuka ukuthi what
Uma,
school
Uma
are you
Clifton.
coming from?
Uphuma emsobomvu.
Uphuma wena esibonelo
So-
imashili indaba yakho.
I think into engayi-understand kakhulu ukuthi if I want to make it to a South African team mele kube ukuthi ngifunde esikoleni
Bra
noma
wami.
mele kube ukuthi
No.
Bra
no
wami.
ngiyazama ukubuka.
Yes.
I'm trying to
Mina
understand
ngisho
that,
ukuthi
okay.
ilapho mina
Okay.
Experience
mina.
yakhe.
Experience yakhe.
Yes, that's why it's
So
emphasizing it so much.
So sengithi ke mina ke so depending on ukuthi lama private lesson wangena kuphi.
But
Yabo,
can
like
you
for example right
what-
now when wafunda esikoleni sabo maZulu angithi uku-act
I know.
for isiphi leso sikole
Oh,
wafunda
esikoleni
kusona?
samaZulu. Oh, yes. We're also esikoleni samaZulu. And
Take manje
no,
Yabo?
yes.
So sengisho ukuthi people like that they have experience kwi-industry. It's not like we have to go to a high school ene-drama eyase-private school yama-multi bese kube ibona iyona build connection. But by association to those people, then you get to know ezinye izinto. In as much as mhlambe that was not the exact direct line to
Right.
your success. Do you
Right.
get what I'm saying?
Sure.
But being in spaces with people like that, I'm not sure what good phela according to esports sorted. Mhlambe umuntu odlalela iPirates wayiphuma esikoleni.
But
Yabo?
also let me say this. Had a mhlawumbe ngaye after, things would have been different.
Because everyone ofunde acting yase after successful. That's
No,
what
I'm
we're
not even.
assuming.
I'm not saying that. Also, I'm
What are
just
we
simply
assuming?
saying, Guti, opportunities, manning. There are so many options, even in the education, or rather, even in lenteng zobengi funda. Yes, thank you, sure. Mhlambe,
So the assumption here is everyone oye private school unama opportunities amaningi and successful kwinto ayenzayo. That's the assumption that you
no,
guys
that's
are
not the
making,
assumption.
noma?
Now, wait, no. The argument is the chances are so higher than if you go to just a school, a public school. My chances maningi. Whereas if we're a normal school, my chances 1, 2 out of 100.
Okay, asiqale la nkanyiso. Mina ngafunda eMkhwanje Siphi School. Siphi School. Ngafunda eMkhwanje Siphi School. Hamba ngafunda eMnyameni Zenex Secondary School. Yazi ukuthi eMnyameni Zenex Secondary School isikole mase siphumile ngo2:30 sekuphelile ngokufunda. Osukwini sesiqedile.
Done.
So sesikubone the following day ngo8.
Sure.
Kwenzile okwakho lo. Yabo? DHS, Kesney College on this all Hillcrest High, Kloof High, Clifton, all these other big ones, bizarre. Mezathi 2:30 kuyongena class le sports or kuyongena music or kuyongena ama extra classes. Lama extra classes wona washoyo ukuthi wakhokhela eceleni privately. Bona bayakufaka kubona after u2. Yabo? So now you get yonke into ngaphansi kwambrele yodwa ufutshila esikoleni. Hayi uthi ingane yakho izothi izohamba iyofunda ngoSaturday ukwenza music. Izoshaya from Monday until Friday. And as much as uthanda music, you fall in love more na music because manje awusafundi ukwenza ibeat kuphela. Ufunda ukubhala music, ufunda
Instrument.
composing, ufunda ama instruments ka 1
Engineering side.
they make you understand the process of music, theory ne practical. Yabo? So leyo nto le, and then masubuyele ekhaya you start listening to music different. Mina angangiculi choral music esikoleni, yeah. Sasinokushaya ama school tours so compete nezinye izikole until Joburg, yabo. But we understand ukuthi mangabe uzoya kule izikole zama-multi or lezi ethiwe zabelungu. Dok ubabuka ku TV. Senze into eyodwa but thina sibabuka ku TV.
Yeah.
So performer ku national, but national yabo nihlukile ngeke inama sponsors. So mawucula lapha mathi best duet abangene ukuthatha kuthiwa ngicule kahle mbani
Near France.
Italy where choral music is home to them. They expose you to those things. They give you those opportunities because the sponsors or people who benze leyo nto la lapha kuthina kufanele ngiyikhiphe ephaketheni kumina. Khumbula vele sisacomplainisa ukuthi sikhokha u500 la esikoleni. Ngicabanga ngisacomplain u500 imalini ithikithi le Italy. But la esikoleni ngesikhiphe lutho uzothiwa a school trip.
Yes.
Because sicule kahle siya eItaly, siyoperform eItaly, siyoperformela abani abantu ukuthi iculture yabo vele choral music. No opera or whatever mayisikhula ngendlela ekhula ngayo. You get it? So awukuthi wenza ibeat kuphela. They also give you a chance ukuthi wenze 10 piece band. They give you a chance ukwenza 21 piece band. Yabo ukuthi la esikoleni nizoyenza la esikoleni. Before uphume uyodlala igitara usuyidlalela iorchestra bani symphonic bani wayiqala la esikoleni.
Sure.
Awunawo ukuthi I know
Ayihlanganisi.
after isikole ngizojoin ubani ngizokwenza nabo. No, you already have a group yabantu baziyo enizoyenza nabo lento.
Community.
Yeah.
Ngiyakuzwa. The conversation is not about me, it's about the conversation.
Yeah, no, for
But
sure.
men understand ukuthi benginganiphikisi vele.
Yeah, no.
Yeah. Because there's a parent at home who's struggling to make this decision.
Yeah.
So with this information, they can decide ukuthi bona benze
bafuna
njani.
ukwenza
Yeah.
njani. Yeah. But it's more about the child.
Yeah.
Are you sure with this mother the child?
It is. Who else is it about?
Hawu nje babebaposta kanje
Badlala.
ku-social media.
I'm a bundle of joy.
Ifonde endaweni
Abase becomelana.
hawu mfethu.
Boma becomelana umuntu athola abona i-pressure nawo seyongena uyogaxela
Hayi phela sekukuyena-ke akusafani hlahlangene nathi into engihleli ngikhuzayo asimuzeni ukuyifaka into
No, but
ezingasihlangani
it's sad because again, you know, you find I also deal with these small ezinye intwana ezinye ezazi who are in these schools abanye. You know, when they talk to you and you realize ukuthi emakhaya they get reminded all the time. Hey, lalela plus kokhu 200,000 lapha. Yabo manje ungalingi. Yabo and uyazi ukuthi sisebenza nzima kanjani, you know. And so now gonna say panic, you know, I'll tell you something that happened. Oh, Nkosi yami konje. There's this girl, yabo.
Mm-hmm.
So I went to the private school, ngiyokhuluma khona.
Yeah.
And she didn't do well metric the other time I went there last year. I think it was last year. Yeah, last year.
Yeah.
So she didn't do well, grade 11. And now they pay a lot of money abazali bakho sakelezela phana. Wafeyila. Me feyila. Hey, Missy yangifonela. I mean in text, she said, can I talk to you? I'm like, yeah, sharp. Well, on Instagram. And then I started listening to her and she told me, you know what? But I'm in the age of committing suicide now because I feel that I'm scared. Ukuthi ubaba ngizombhekela uba noma because manje ngiyaka matric next year and angikwazanga ngiyaka matric next year so ngibhekile manje so I don't know what to do. Hey Pethu, because I've learned from that thing once somebody start talking about lempahla well isukumele yabo.
Sure.
So I started saying no, you know what? I'll call you masengiqedile la. Fonele. Then we started talking and then ayikaze ukuthi why esaba because behlezi bemkhumbuza njalo ukuthi sikhokha imali engaka la ungalinge so now uyacabanga ukuthi ngono vele ayibulale because manje uzombhekela ubaba wakhe noma wakhe because imashile phela next year kusafanele aphinde yabo. So I had to convince her no, don't do that. Uma ngizokhuluma naye guy number yakhe mina angigayi number khuluma olingathi hey ingane la she's suicidal because ucabanga ukuthi ngenxa ukuthi ufeyilile ngono vele ayingamathise because uyanisaba akazonibhekela uba ngoba phela nhlezi nimkhumbuza ukuthi hey sikhokha imali engaka la, you know. And umama was shocked, you know, ukuthi wow ngempela. I'm like yeah, you know. And then we started talking and we met up with the olet naye ingane, you know, wakhuluma kahle wamangala umama ukuthi kuningi ingane ekugoshile bengamtsheli wona. But ingane bisitshela i-stress desusho ebhayi because abazali babhizi phela bafuna le mali. They don't have time for these kids. You understand what I'm saying?
Right.
So those are the things that sometimes it as much as kuhle phethu behambisa lezi ngane but also inkinga isekuthini nabi ingane bagcina sebekhohlwa ukuthi hayibo phela umuntu naye lo, you know, angikwazi vele ngimtreat nomanye just because ngifaka imali ukuthi afunde nana, you know what I mean? So that's another issue, you know, that you find when it comes to lezi ngane ifunda kulezi ikole ukuthi sometimes they tend to treat them as if like they are object, they're not abantu because umuntu hlezi ezokhunjuza hey lalela phela siyakhokha la ukuthi nokuthi, you know what I mean? So
Yeah.
that's why ngithi sometimes you can't say it's about the child because it's about the parents. I
But
understand.
also, Shapiri, sorry ukuphulula, mawukhumbula kahle futhi from umbuzo wankanyiso or statement sankanyiso ushilo ukuthi abazali they need to be aware of certain things nokuthi njengoba sowufaka lo mntwana wethu laphana somfaka kwini kwenzakalani iziphi izinto ezodingakala futhi nakubona. So labo bazali labo abazali abafaka umntwana wabo without that research mangilandela le story siqoqayo because awukwazi ukuthi mfethu ungathi ufaka umntwana wakho esikoleni size and then wena futhi uyahamba uyokhumbuza ingane excel ikhokhu
Ethe
200,000
uyiphantile le mali mfethu ungangayikhumbuzi kanjani into oyibona ukuthi idlala ngama opportunity.
Yes, listen, yabona.
Mfethu
Man, yo, wait, can you so
umzali la.
wait, I've actually experienced it eyenzakalana. So, after matric ngangifuna ukwenza i-chiropractor e-DUT, but angiphasanga kahle matric kwami. So then bangangithatha, ne? Sharp. And so now there's an opportunity ngihlale ekhaya ngafunda, yabo. Kwaba khona inenani I ended up going to aviation school, yabo. Aviation, you are not allowed to get anything 90%. They know 90% on anything that you do. Whether a test during the week, whether the exam.
Otherwise, uzokinqipha noyiphela wena. One mistake, one error
Exactly. So, 100% is required.
Yeah,
ne?
asikudingi.
And the school fees are sibhaya, dude. And my mom, literally, was the one nokuthi dude, not even to build nje like a normal life. Mhlambe nge-weekend nge-cinema, nah. Like she tried so hard ukuthi athi baby ngiyacela. Like just until you're done. Because it's just a lot of money. You know? And also I think mhlambe we can say approach abazali needs to be lenient, because I've had that you need to get, because mine I failed a lot test. Yes, for me to do a rewrite of that. You understand? And so nabazali need a proper way of sort of addressing it and putting it to God. Yabo. So and your mom is panicking, you know, because it's a lot of money that she's spending on this. So you just need to prove to her that you can actually do it, also having a social life as well. That one thing is sure. So, and I made it out okay. Ngafeli test out.
Yabo khumbula ukuthi vengane siyifake la kuma multi. Kusamele ifunde iphase la.
For sure.
Sigcisha ama sports, sigcisha music, sigcisha ini.
No, but wena ungayithatha umana angifuni uthatha ingane from a point ukuthi wafunde emsobomvu. Ngoba leyo ngane siyiqale la vele. So we know ukuthi because ingane mazu 15 eklasini. Uyazi ukukanyisa strong gap. Uyazi ukuthi kumele umfocus, kumele umphushe gap ukuze akwazi ukuthi abo best. Uyazi uthobe ku strong gap. Uyazi ukuthi sibambane u strong gap ukuthi ngimphushe gap. Yazi ngisho because namunazi in high school othisha bambangizami wangifaka ku debate team because mangishaya ama oral eklasini ngakuthula iclass mangiqeda. Yazi ngisho. Had I went to like a proper private school. Oh. Parliament.
Yebo ukuthi we are going back to that assumption ukuthi umuntu ofunde private school. Should that means yena uyapass? We are going back to that assumption.
No.
Because now uze uthi if you went there.
There's more time for us. We have room to pay attention.
But then
attentiveness.
Bese kube nani? Bese kube ukuthi uyapass.
Dude, umangafuni ukuwina. Why need to pass as if it's the worst thing?
No,
ukuwina, dude. It's winning mentality.
Bangakhi abantwana mfethu owabasiza wena oseklasini nabo baphasa umatric because of you. Ifukuthiwa wena awusukumelanga wenza wathatha lesigqibo wasithatha wasiza labo bantwana abebakuphi le.
Angikwazi ngoba ngabe jumpile.
Yeah. Faneke so mawucabanga sinonkanyisa bangakhi egele that can think ngalendlela ukucabanga ngayo and help your classmate la strong khona.
Ayangazi plaza.
So engizama ukusho sibaningi nasemaklasini mfethu unzima nakubona uthisha ukuthi bakhona ukuthi basibheke sonke individually, right? Ngala bancane mfethu eklasini njengoba ichaza noThobela ku-easy ukuthi babone unkanyiso ublind ngesithombe nana eyasiqinise la yonke into la ulekha la supporta kanje.
Sure.
Asiphikisana. Nina ningayithathi ngathi siyaphikisa.
Angisho
yazi i-wedding yakho is bad.
Yazi into enking. Mina my main thing is umzali ofuna ukuthatha le decision. Akanga assume ukuthi automatically mangiyokhokha le mali ingane yami that means it's successful.
But I'm a chance. Mina ngikhuluma nge-chance ukuthi likhulu i-percent le-chance ukuthi ingane ibe great. No, Vari, that chance is very big. Hayi i-chance enkulu but angifuni ukukhohlisa. Angifuni nje ukukhohlisa fana i-chance enkulu.
Maningi kakhulu bese maningi amathuba.
Ukuthi iVAR masiza ngase-chanceni.
Yeah.
Maningi on the other side.
Angifuni nje ukukhohlisa nje. Yabona nami bese umshana wami uhlakaniphile.
Ema-chanceni. Bese kuba ukuthi ke mfowethu.
That's true.
Umntwana ke yena. Ngithatha umntwana ngiyomjikjela entweni naye. Angikwazi thatha ngane yami ingazange ngithi ngiyoyigcishela for uma sports nani. ngibe ngimbona kahle ukuthi nezinto adlala ngazo nala ngizambona umuntu IT nani bese ngiyomgcisha ngithi ngimgcishela isport lapha kwa mina ngiyamlahlekisa
kahle kahle.
angithi yabona so wena as umzali first understand umntwana wakho and try to support umntwana wakho ukuthi ekuse yabona lo yaphambe nazi
Enhance this.
and then from there supporting umntwana wakho
Sure.
aleyo ndlela
Yabo nje nami ngifisa abe nginenyuko. Umshana wami uhlakaniphile. Oh my niece is smart.
Yes.
Ngiyafisa bese ngabe nginamali negi.
But-ke wena une-social capital like awukwazi ukufisa ngabe unenyo. You have a social capital.
But what am I going to do with it?
Make a plan.
Definitely bo basabancane uNkulunkulu ingakho ngithe money.
You know people who know people, you can DM someone and they can respond.
Yeah.
It's just a matter of you checking ukuthi yini le ayifunayo
Sure.
and then uzama ukuyi-aligna nalabantu bazi.
Thank you.
Of which that's our responsibility. Asidingi ngisho nemali ukala thina kwethu ukuvula eminyango abanye abantu bamatsha.
Right.
But ngokufona and yes, I was having this conversation nomunye umjito vela ukuthi thina we lost the lento ivalue yempilo okanye social capital okanye networking just
Yeah.
because sesifocuse kakhulu emalini.
Yeah.
There is no reason ukuthi mina ngithi ngazi uThulato okanye uJames Mvela okanye ngazi uNdu sekumele manje mayifuna isithombe uNdu kumele angikhokhele nami ngifuna ukudla kumele ngimkhokhele.
Sure.
Why are we not making any agreements lapho
To
so
say.
yes to save it?
Get myself
I'll
this
give
and I
you
get
this.
yours.
Can I get this? Yes. What's the value of this? Can we establish the value of this? That's what networking is. That's how life can be. But we just focus kakhulu emalini, yabo. Ke understand there ukuthi why focus kuyona kakhulu, but let's not lose sight of
The most important.
yeah, lezi ezinye izinto esinazo amanye ama-assets esinawo ukwazi abantu for me to be able to call someone okwi-position thizini ngithi mfethu yazi ngifuna ukwenza into yokuthi lapho athi anokhululela otherwise if bekuwumunye umuntu bekuzomela asayine i-paperwork ewundendende.
Sure.
Do you get what I'm saying? Yes, we cannot overlook lezo zinto lezo just because it's asinamali.
Yeah.
But it
I
takes
wanna
a
do
skill.
better.
It takes a skill, that thing. You can't just do it if you're not skillful with it. Kumele ube nendlela. Ungaveli nje. Because phela manje bese iningi lethu liyathanda ukuyuzwa.
Too much.
So manje idinga iskill lanto nginetwork. Because kubeza abantu bathi siyo network lapho. Ufika lapha so ufika la hey kulokhu uza hey wena wenzani? What do you do? Like umuntu avela kubuka how lo muntu lo uzokwenzana hlala. So like I like what you're saying, which we forget in that, but it's value over value. You know, if you have value, also bring value. Nami ngizengibona ivalue wena uthi okay, I think I can build a relationship.
Lo muntu.
Ungavele ungizele ngomqondo uthi kusephela hey
Shaya.
yabo.
Photo fuck.
Yeah, so I think also now it takes a skill. Now you must be skillful, you know.
Yeah.
Bengifuna ukuya kulento escale. Yabo khona into futhi ebuhlungu lento ade nisho manje uthi nizala ndawonye la omunye private school omunye ya elokishini. Izalon lo nobaba wakho misa private school lo uye qala kahle.
Ayiqhatha-ke.
Hayi
Ukwazi
manje
phela
ngeke
mfethu
Hayi
ukusiza,
Shepherd ngeke ungasifaki-ke
wasise
manje.
iy'mpilo
Ama-family
zikahle.
dynamics ayahlangene
Discuss my opinions.
Hayi wasusifaka emndenini manje mfethu angeke Shepherd. No, but also mhlawumbe kuya nangokuthi omunye uzalwe nini abazali sebenjani. Hayi Shepherd ungasifaki
Mase ikhombe iqala kahle uyasiqhatha.
hayi ngeke Shepherd.
Ivala kodwa manje uyayiqhatha.
How do you deal with it enjalo yabo? Because phela manje leyo zinto iphinde ibe inkinga because ikhoza nokungazwani ebantwaneni.
Mina ngihlezi ngisho usumzali mfethu une-opportunity ukuthi ayilungisele iy'ngane zakhe. Ngihlezi ngisho ukuthi
Kanje.
yabona nathi ekhaya sihlukile, you know. Abanye banoma baba abanye abanawo mababa, but we all share a dad, yabo. But siyazwana, you know. Usisi wami wathola a better side of education wayena seminary, you know, sites nakwesinye isikole. But
Sangaze envy nje for going.
no, it was always dude, kuya ngokuthi umuntu ufike ngesikhathi esinjani, abazali sebenjani. Abazali could afford to take her to another seminar.
Sure.
But when we were young, they could not afford to do that. Yes, thank you, sure. So then I can't be ukuthi when I know ukuthi futhi thina-ke iqinisa. One thing I always appreciate abazali bami for, and I commend and I take my head off to my parents and ngiyabonga mama nobaba, iqiniso mfethu. Thina ekhaya nje yonke into is transparent, idlala etafuleni. So ukuthi nokuthi sikwazi ukwenza, ukuthi nokuthi sikwazi ukwenza. Ukuthi wena ufunani ngempilo yakho kukuwena. The only thing we can do is to give you now ama-option esinawo when we decide ukuthi uthatha lephi. Kukuwena. So there was never ukuthi fihla ukuthi no. We can do it, we cannot do it. Yes, thank you, sure. So that's one thing I always appreciate abazali bami for. Ukuthi nje iqiniso thina foundation was late. And we had to make a decision ukuthi okay fine. Njengothobeka osenikeziwe-ke lelo thuba nalelo thuba. Meaning English, I taught myself English. Because when I first moved with my dad, I didn't know Isingisi. And my siblings bebekhuluma Isingisi ngabafika behlala nabazali. Yes, thank you, sure. So I had to say,
Manje
okay, cool.
njani bekhuluma Isingisi wena sasa.
Ushona mpahla yantwana. Yathi ngambe lantwana lenzane. You start
Lalela kusafika ethu.
Ayihluku la mpahla.
And
You start
Lapho nivakashile.
ngampela mfethu. And I had to make a decision, you know? I had to make a decision to say, okay, cool. Angisazi Isingisi. Angifunda amabhuku. I watched a lot of movies and I read a lot of books. You understand? But I'm just like, oh, good. Did this.
Bavakashile lapho ku December.
I went to
Sishaya
the
Isingisi.
No, guy, kuhlukile kwa December. Mina ngihlala nabo every day. Yes. And yazi umehluko wani sebathi book. Umehluko ukuthi
Hey trauma lapho.
lalela bona ngiyabona lento ukuthi mabecela ukuthi oh no baby we give month end or next week or what. Mina ngiphuma ehlupha la akinalo iviki noma amabili ngadliwe. Mangifika lapho bese bathola yonke into. I'm like these ungrateful children. You literally, I was like that when I first got. I swear to God, my parents would tell my siblings would tell you, "It's just Azwani for the longest time because I struggled so much." It was khona lento zasifesha usasirelate. Khona ngafiki khona. I'm like, but now mfethu baya understand ukuthi kwenzakalani la face. Bathola yonke into mfethu la flip. And then ngiyafika la mfethu I'm like, children, I don't like these ones. And I'm like, I know, I want to do it. I barely pay.
You start to be niche now, You don't.
You don't missing its mom. This mom.
Don't.
This one.
Don't.
Yeah, who could have been again? Yes, take it shot. So I had to teach myself. And I'm so first one crazy. There's so many things that I'm grateful about in Pulu. Because nonkulunkulu azangiphela kobuhlangani to want to be better. And ukuthi ngivulele the room to say, okay, I don't know how to do it. How do I then fix it? You understand? It's the options that I was given. Ekhaya. It was okay. If you want something, go after it. If you can't get another two cards, fine, take a break, catch a breather. But still go back. That's why it's in my spirit. Ukuthi ngiyazi okay mangisebenza the strategy mangisebenzisile sangifisa la ngifuna khona then ngiyahlala phansi re-strategize okay cool ngifunda lapha sengihambile ngakenzeki angizame the side
yabo la examine mina mfethu yabo
sure
uyizame into brazo uyizame into brazo uqheme uthi usabathe uqheme. But my question is, where do you get the strength to even go and try again?
Thandaza wafethu.
Awubuze lo mbuzo wakho ngaphandle kokupersonalize ngoba ngathi angawuget uthobeke. Awubuze Shepherd awuphini. Ubuze ngoba manje ngathi ubuze follow up kanti umbuzo ojulile
Because you know what I'm going, bro.
Sure.
Like ayikho ebuhlungu njengokuzama into ingenzeki.
Right.
You're talented, or blind. Uyazi ukuthi kuseke.
Sure.
And we are zizwa lezi ehlezi hey try, keep on trying, hey keep on trying.
Uyena njalo lo sithi keep on trying.
Your season hasn't come. No, God is testing you. You are in your own desert, whatever.
Right.
But bro, you see, it's come back. You come back to a situation where it says, bruh, if shit doesn't happen now, lead. You understand? You're praying, bruh. You're doing all these things, bruh. And it's like, you are tandaza. You are very good at prayer and everything. And now you're seeing other people. I've been doing uhole 10 kangako, but things are going smooth. Going back to let's the niche about opportunities or wathola uma uthi wena
Right.
ufunde ukukhupha, but wena somehow now ufundile khona lapha, but kuyabheda kunjalo ama-opportunities ngisushana all over kade ufunda nabo abanye, you reach out to them, they like no khululeka man, we still gonna organize something khona ezohlangana akho nto ehlanganayo.
Fethu Shepherd yazi kwakhala u-Anthony Joshua eqeda kuluza i-fight boxing. Do you know how hard boxing fighters train? Lwamjita eringini wahluleka ukuyibamba athi I don't know how this guy beat me. Fethu I trained so hard. Yabona ukuhluleka uzamile lokho ukuthi fethu. Waze wathi lo mjita bengamela ngishaya indlela engitraine ngayo, but still
Ish.
what's that to me?
Wait. Fethu. It's what I live every day. As an actor, I reject what left, right, and side of audition and your god, dude. And I remember when I was sitting here, when I first came on this podcast, I said to you guys, Nyayega next day. That's what I said. Said I know sharp. Example, never Fethu. Jopela, I credit, cassette, like that. Last week, yeah. Last week I think so cool, yeah. And ngihlangana no Putomdali, Makob, yabo? Anguzhawu wenzani le goal yami, ngitshela ukuthi I'm shooting something yabo? But ngimtshele ukuthi hayi, but next year, right, next year is my last year. Wangibuza ukuthi yazi, you know how long it took me to get to Lancon? I was like, okay, cool, you know, I'm listening Putomdali. I said 26 years. I was like, yes. I was like, dude, no way. Now I'm in 26 years. You're Fethu. Yes, thank you, sure. But also, deep down, I'm like, what's the rush? You know? Like, what's the rush? Like, let's just say tomorrow I wake up, I could literally snap my finger so, give an island and give funal. Then what? You know? Let's just say I could get it tomorrow. I still want to be somewhere else tomorrow when I do get the thing that I want. So the only thing that is left for us to do is to keep on fighting for the things that we want. Yes, thank you, sure. Definitely, nonkulunkulu if even says it by Pelili bafethu. Ukuthi ama trials and tribulation it has a weak corner, but you can just worry not because I conquered the world. That's what God comes with also. It comes with the bad and the good.
It's nice.
No, when she's done.
I think we'll get in, man.
One, I want to address le of coming in from the same family and then omunye funde a better school than the other one. Bro, I think Ekabe Siba was 6, and he's the only one who went to a white school level. But more than anything, I think itebalekile efforts is being happy for someone. Yeah, well, not everyone will be afforded similar opportunities. We live different lives. Opportunities that will come different. Yeah, but it doesn't mean because you come from the same family, maybe mhlampe makuthiwa siyofuna umsebenzi of isithathe sonke. That's one. Even in friendships, yeah, but be happy for someone else. Genuinely be happy for someone else. Yeah, because impilo yakhe neyakho ayifani. You'll never be the same. You'll never be given the same opportunities.
Unfortunately.
But what I appreciate from him is, as much as Ngaza's Kombisane Lelo side, we're very happy for him. We know where he comes from. And you can only hope, because he's got these opportunities, one day he will remember to come back and change everyone's life.
Sure.
Yeah, bo? I remember last episode I said, I spoke to my uncle. The conversation I was having with my uncle, Lekaya, I have more opportunities than everyone. And there's nothing that excites me than going back home and seeing them happy and I'm there. Right. Yeah, bo? There's no one who's ever compared me. My brother's struggling. My little brother is struggling. But has never came to me and said, but why yours life is like this and mine is like that? Yeah, bo? Every time when I see him, I always say, bro, just understand, as long as I still have everything under control, you still have things under control. Because there's never a time where you go to sleep. Like opportunities are not the same. We're not born for same reasons.
Yeah.
And then same goes to like being rejected to things. It also questions your patience. Yeah, but how much do you want
How
this?
badly do you want it?
How badly do
Because
you
it
want
will
it?
really take 1 day.
Yeah.
1 year.
Yeah, but But
Out of
also
1,000 no's.
talking to yourself also with it. Like, trainer. It's not about training at the end of the day. It's not about that. Yes, it contributes. Ukuthi train kangakanani and how strong are you and uzoyimela kangakanani yonke le nto yabo. It questions ukuthi it means if boxing iqala phela train utrainela ukuthi boxing meqala match meqala ku round 1 yophela 12 uzolasta yini, but it doesn't guarantee you win.
Yeah.
Yabo, it doesn't say you will win.
Uzo-achieve.
Yabo, you training because you want to last 12 rounds. You never tell the other person ukuthi kuba ngijime kakhulu mina isibhakela sakho so
Kamwaka left,
No.
my right.
It's also about wins. It's about your luck. It's about all those things. So it's accepting also ukuthi yes, sohluleka somewhere in life. Yes, sohluleka. Yes, there'll be battles. Yes, there'll be nice times. That's how life is. So if you fail to understand those principles about life, then you have no reason ukuthi ufuna ukwenza into from scratch.
Yeah.
Because when awukho prepared ukuhluleka, akaqali ngawo ukuhluleka and akeke kuphele ngawo.
Unfortunately. Because even the labantu abasuccessful, they failed somewhere. They went back to their drawing boards to say, okay, sharp, isengishayile le nto. How do I then say, okay, sengizame enye strategy, but to also achieve the very same dream? Because ngiyazi ukuthi one day ngizoba nazo zonke lezi engiyifisayo. That's the thing show. I'm confident about that. Ukuthi I don't know the journey. Ukuthi how does it go? And that's one thing uNkulunkulu does. uNkulunkulu uyakhombisa the vision or rather the end goal, yabo? Ukuthi akakhombisa process, because if he told you ukuthi masuna 29 uzobu akeke ngalendlela eyisimanga ungeke uyithathe uthi awungeke mdali danki ngiyabonga fethu ayikeke ngiluke yayithengisho. That's part of life, and people really need to understand those things, because the reason why we have such conversations to say what if uyazama uyahluleka,
Because people are trying. People are trying, guys.
it's okay uzozama uzohluleka, but belule fethu you get it.
Yeah, abantu bayazama mfethu.
And that's okay.
Bayazama abantu mfethu.
Zama mfethu.
Bayazama abantu.
Yes, that's why sinalabo baba labo umkhulu lo wa KFC. Uzolu KFC na 60. Wayoqale nini? Wazo achieve senabani 60. Right now it's global. KFC is all over the world.
I mean, more than anything, I'm happy that we're having this conversation because yazi mina kwipointa Shepard yonke ebengichaza kakhulu ukuthi yabona uze wa highlight na ukuthi kunomuntu mfethu uyawalalela ama motivation speaking athi zama mfethu zama, but akaka understand ukuzama ongaka ukuthi kuphi after sekezame kangaka. Yabo, because there is yabona mfethu on your way to your dreams, there is that moment where a day just feels so long, man. Really. Yeah. Ukuthi you've done everything else manje yabo. Kambe uyifakile iCV wayishaya interview wenza yonke. Now sekumele ulinde ucount ama second. Like I remember the exact moment mfethu when I was still trying to chase my dreams nami yabo. Ngiyibuza ngaphakathi ukuthi lama jita lebele simotivate ukuthi asinga give up. Athi umuntu wahlupheka for 10 years yena ukuze reach le goal yakhe, because mina most of my inspiration coming up from different backgrounds, even from ama musicians.
Right.
Nabo umwalalela ama stories awo, success is similar to that. It takes isikhathi eside kabi, but they do not ever talk about those seconds. La usuku livele libe lude khona kakhulu. Usulindile man ngoko konke kwakho kusemandleni usuwenzile. Ugcwalisile iform, but manje mase kuthiwa linda vele. Yes.
Lapho linda into ngayo.
Yeah, into ngayazi and ayihazeki like
yes.
even if
Lapho
uxoxa nabantu
Lambe esweni.
bethu Shepard isecond lide awunanyuka awunafokon dude. Yeah,
I posted a video the beginning of this year.
Tshele mina.
I said I read the
Ayikho
books.
indaba ukuthi uzofika no amen lapha ngifuna imali.
awusebenzi amen.
Awunda futhi engithandazile mina hey uNkulunkulu usilindele ukuthi aphendule. Ayisebenzi le. Ufuna imali erent kusasa.
Kodwa mina ngintshele akaze mangidinga irent ngilale phansi. Mina ke. Sengikhulumela ngami ke. Seshiya abanye abantu ke. Mina ngihleli phambi kweni ngiyantshela ke mina. Ukuthi akaze irent ijungo mhla ka2 makungekho njalo bayeza bazongikhipha sekunjani. But uNkulunkulu always makes a plan. Somehow it always happens. Nangangazi kanjani. That's why there's so many things I can never take credit for. In fact, everything I can't. I even posted a video like the beginning of this year. Because I was just like, ngihlezi ngiposta ngihappy ngihleka with social media. Let me post just like literally that day. Yabo mfethu ubona masifusha lawo masecond usa ngijampele.
Masho kokugcina.
Mashine. literally, I posted a video. I'm like, you know what? I read the books. You know, I've created the routines. You know, to create some habits, I healthy. What? Ngayenza yonke leyo. Yebo mfethu ngayenza leya shamkhani mfethu. Literally, khona umngane amazwi athi no, nathobe ku pride kumele ufonele abantu ngawenza ama phone calls, ngaba DM abantu, ngabhala ama propo. Yebo mfethu, ayikho ngayenzanga. Mfethu, Ivar, ashapateza hlekana.
That's what I want you to talk about. You know what
Ngakwenza wonke bafethu ukuthi yathi impilo no namhlanje. Hayi ngantshela bafethu. Bafethu kodwa ngasho ukuthi bafe ngaya kumdala semfethu wena wasiyo mfethu yenza ngendlela yakho poison iyangisa manje.
Sezikuwena mfethu.
Yes, a boy. That's why you find people to say as there was a time sasilambile ekhaya. Kangqongqoza umakhelwane athi ngicabanga ukuthi nginilethele impuphu ngazi indaba kodwa content engilethe impuphu. Oh wena that's a thing. Hayi uNkulunkulu njalo bafethu. Ngoba mina ngintshanga ngeke nginilahlekise bafethu. AuNkulunkulu ukhona bafethu. Hayi ngimbonile mina.
Awukhona ukuthi.
Ngimbonile ke bafethu. Kuyowenzeka bafethu uzwe ngathi uNkulunkulu naye ukufulathela uthule nje uyambuka uthi awukhosi phela. Sayimi intwana yakho dog.
Like where you really know ukuthi
Literally,
I'm
bruh.
out.
I'm like yabona bafethu akekho umuntu ongamfonelile.
And they say today, you don't have a plan.
Nothing,
But you
zero.
know what happens when the day ends? Suddenly there's a plan.
Literally,
Oh
fethu
ongayazi ukuthi kuqhamuke kuphi. Yabona bese lampahla ngikhumbula ngesigele ekseni linye ilanga mfethu. Ngishaya omncane phambi kwesitatshu mfethu. Akho kudla, akho fokole endlini. Ngithi uNkulunkulu ngicela mangibuya ngebreak cause sasiphuma ngebreak kanye makuphuma isikole ngithola into engizoyidla. Sakudla ukudla uvela ungazi mfethu ukuthi kanjani because igriza alinanyuka ngiyayazi imali yakhe ihlala kuphi ngiyazi ukuthi akekho umuntu esingamfonela nabo makhelwane sesibahluphe kwazo kwaba grand
You understand?
ba grand nje ngathi size siyabakweleta ke bakweleta igrocery
Asale asesibindi sokuthi liyocela.
awukwazi
Ozeya akhona la shota khona.
akwazi uyabakweleta igrocery yabo ke manje ijump wokugcina ngci.
Yes, kuyenzeka bafethu but really bafethu.
No, I think that's the message that we need to drive.
Yes.
Shepiri yeke but ayikho enye into.
Kuyenzeka nje Shepherd.
It's possible.
Sibonile
Mase
mina
uyisuku
nje.
lakho mfethu
Living
lokuthi linda
testimony.
linda
Linda
sibani.
the done.
Linda. Ibambe la.
Yeah.
Ibambe.
Kasikhazeli.
Isikhathi.
Hayi Linda bafethu. Angifuni nje nami unikhohlisa. Ifikile.
Kodwa manje mina
Hayi Shepherd bethi ngeke mfethu.
Wait.
Uyayimosha ke imashini.
Ah, Thembani ushepile waza shepile.
Okay.
Kunale ghost mina bo ukuthi khona bangalindi dog. They've never experienced ukulinda.
It's okay.
It's not your
It's okay, dog. It's okay.
No, Shepard uza nenye
No,
point
but
ebalekile.
No, I also touched on it. I touched on that.
khona
I
abantu
did touch
who
on it.
have never do.
Yes. Indlela
understand.
zethu ayifani.
Ayifani.
Understand that
Mfethu-
little part.
Yeah.
We are not born for the same purposes. We're not born for the same hlupheka. We are not born for the same wins. Abanye bayowina kakhulu kunabanye.
Yabo mina
Mfethu.
Hlezi ngisho
And
ukuthi
about-
mana wewe
about-
kanyisi let me no ngiyamuzwa Shepherd uthini ukhona amanye amadoda nje unzima
freeway.
babazi yes unzima nje umuntu akawazi
Akho roadblock.
Ikhona
Ba-
leyo.
freeway, bahamba nama blue
Yabona,
lights.
Thandi, yabona.
Bahamba nama blue lights baku freeway.
kanyisi hey
Akho robot. Akho stop.
khona bethenye outside ku drama school wonke umuntu ayeshare inkinga zabo bethi abo ama background ama foundations emfethi mina ekhaya kwakunjani mina nganginjani wathula mfethu umjidi that yaza mfethu angazi ngithini because literally I have had it all. There was no break or hinge or what. Ayikho nje into engathi ngiyi-pointed to say, yazi kwanganxayekile lana. And that is okay, mfethu. Yazi into engishoyo?
Yeah.
Like, it is okay. Sometimes kanyisa uNkulunkulu would make your journey hard because of irole osazoyidlala in the future. That's one thing we must never forget. Ukuthi abanye abantu bakhethiwe nje. Umona umuntu uhlukile mina ngahluka nje vele kudala ke. I was different from my siblings even namanje ngisahlukile ekhaya. Yasho ngisho ukuthi nje ukhethiwe wena.
Hey, bari,
Yabo? Hayi lutho mfethu uyakhethwa nje mfethu. Uyahluka mfethu. uyahluka nje mfethu ukuthi vele role yakho in the future it's going to be much more awucabanga ukuthi yabona man think about lento engikuyona manje understand let's just say manje ngoba abantu bengithanda kanje bengikhonzile kanjeni cabanga ukuthi mfethu kube angikaze ngixakeke ngaba ngimazi omunye umuntu
usho ukuthi ukuxakeka lokho kwenza
no I'm sengikhulumela mina sengikhulumela uthobeka yabo into engishoyo yabo into ukuthi no ngiyazazi mina mfethu ukuthi ngiyethanda into egrand ngiphakamele nje but in me doing that ngamazi omunye umuntu mfethu amazi omunye amazisa futhi omunye umuntu awucabange with umusa uNkulunkulu anointing uNkulunkulu nayo on my life if angikazi uNkulunkulu engihambulishe before ngifike la ngikhona namhlanje awucabanga ukuthi hambe njani abe nginja abe nginja for sure
mina nje yabona nje mina mfethu I believe ukuthi awumuntu mfethu just focus on your own journey dog ngiyithabo ungabuka abanye abantu mfethu angithabo ngakhula nawe ube sharp manje ungabi sharp manje
sure
it doesn't mean ukuthi kuphelele
ngeke ngibe grand one day
awungenze kungabi grand yazi uzo
it's okay dog it's okay
no kuyenze
it's okay but asazi no one knows ukuthi
hayi ngangifaki mina ngeke ngizodlala umelusi la yebo mfethu soba grand
it's okay ufuna kube kanjalo for yena it's okay mawuthi ngiyafa kusasa ngabanga it's sharp nakhona dog yabo
hayi ngeke mina mfethu uNkulunkulu athamzomusa nje emhlabeni ngeke udlala uShepherd
yabo Shepherd kunama arts mina ngingawabuke futhi yabo ukuthi yabona le art le iminga sisebenze nje just a tiny bit more ingangishaya flat empilweni not ukuthi ngiyacompete na but because of grace anayo ne luck the goddess of luck are just with this guy ayikho into ethena wayenza konke nje ku straight but lokho akusho ukuthi it's not coming from a point ukuthi unomona but kumbuka nje ukuthi ubuza ukuthi if it's okusho ukuthi wena uma ungase nje utrain wena kushuthi nje hayi
shuthi ungasiqoba amakhanda
umalume kuthini
but ukhawatha kephi
yabo
ngondo
yeah
I think on vet ayikho le grace but ngondo ayikho
na first I had a conversation nabangani bami wes ngabatshela still song athi mina mfethu there's one thing about me angizwani nawo ngokuthi unani ukuthi ubani ngabatshela funa sihleli ngathi bafethu uma sizona kanje angifuni yenye ilanga mase kuthiwa abanile because uba nakamenzela ngomoya don't expect lacks expectations yazokusiza ukuthi empilweni wazi ukuthi umngani wami lo not because unemali ongizofuna imali yena ngizofuna ngisiza ngani ukuhlupheka kwakho angakusiza abantu phathi ungathi ba kuyaphoqa uthi akusiza no yabo when I make a plan for yourself zifundisela ukuthi if I have a plan if I know ukuthi ngizo execute kanje plan then it's fine yabo but ungayitshela ukuthi abantu they here to rescue you no kuba yeah, no one is here to rescue. Live your own life. If ama wins awakho, then ungabheka. Yeah, it helps ukuthi ugcina unga-expect so much from abantu abangaqeqeli.
If you want to look at someone, then look for inspiration.
Awufuna umuntu ozayo ukuzokusiza.
Look for inspiration.
Wena uzosave. Expect ukuthi khona akho umuntu ozokusiza.
Look for inspiration or look for the value that you are talking about in terms of service. Ngokukanyisa shit nawo ngobushilo. Ukuthi if ngifactor ngithi Ted yabo ngoba ulento uzikhofi tsani ngikwenzela ukuthi nokuthi yabo ukuze nami ngibenefit uma ngifuna ikhofi la
exactly
ngidayisa ama muffin yayise ngishoyo ukuthi ufuna iPT yabo mfethu manje musafuna iPT party vele uyivulele wena uyishayele wena
ukhonsela amabhaluni ukosiwe yabo une business yama cake hambe uhlala coffee shop
showcase uzohlangana nabantu abafuna ukudla ikhofi nama muffin yeah bafethu ngoba ngempela manje musafuna iPT party mfethu ayisekho asimanje hayi bafethu hlezi ngisho nje nabafethu ukuthi ufuna ukudatshukelwa sendaweni errong umuza kumina itshela ukuthi like even mina ama social media angimaphendula ama DM athi umuntu mfethu beka conga iphuthu 100 ekhaya akudliwe nani wena unaba amakhelwane nje awunawo amakhelwane ongafika uyokhala kuyena nami nganginyanya weekend nama holiday Jehova ngoba ukudla okungekho ngangidle esikoleni kuphela so ukwazi ukuzongitshela ukwazi uzongitshela ngalokho ngikhuluma ngento engiyaziyo impe engayiphila ngikusukeli
mfethu udle ngezingerula
utheni Ufeni plus ufeni top
Wazini
layer
ngokudla
ice cream.
ngerula wena Thet. Wazini ngokudla ngerula wena.
Ngiyacela, hawu
Kuthiwa
bafethu.
ngiyonana ngijike endleleni.
Hawu
Jika
bafethu.
halfway.
Hey,
Ngisabhe cause angikusaba ukunana. Yabo?
dude.
Hamba usicela amakhelwane kuphelile irice ufike ucela ugogo khona. Ngifike ngithi ngiphike wonke umuntu okhona kuleyo gceke ngibekho umuntu.
We understand?
Wes
mina
makhona
bangazi
ingalo ethanda
kahle
yakhona.
Hayi mina bangazi kahle umakhelwane ngiseyintwana. Ngangena nje ngithi ugogo
Lapho
uthe.
uqhamuka usugobile suka
Senje
ngamadoda.
soboleka igqabi. Elilodwa i-T-Bag A1. Uyazi ukuthi hayi izomasha mhlawumbe izomasha isonto
2
lonke.
3 week showcase.
Izomasha nje lo T-Bag. Ngazodlala. So
Bafethu.
bafethu akukho ukuthi ngoba ukhala singakunaki bese ucabanga
Ukuthi asikunakile. Hayi bafethu, hayi sonke
sizelana nawe.
Yes, angikwazi kwasho umngane wami uthi yazi sometimes it's best ukuthi kukhuluma abantu who have experienced these things.
True.
Because asinisukeli, asikhulumeli nje because mhlambe siyixosha.
Yeah, no.
Hayi bafethu sikhuluma ngento esayiphila.
And I like it because abantu abaningi they tend to think mhlambe mabese bekubona
Uyayikhulumela nje.
uzayakhuluma
Kusaxakeka abakini.
I understand.
Bafethu. Hawu ngeke.
So bethu hayi uyayikhulumela lo kanti abasi
Lutho. Bafethu ngihlezi ngisho singampela honestly.
Yeah.
People really now
this is
emeli
dope.
you must also make a conscious decision to wena ufunani ke ngawe.
Yeah.
Mina mfethu ngangihlela emkhukhwini ngibona ukuthi ngimncane mfethu ngisho sayi bafethu noma ngathiwa angiphiloki bafethu ngeke ukuthi sekuphelile ngami.
ngiyayifila ngaphakathi.
Ngefethu ngangifila le nto
Ukuthi,
futhi amanga mfethu ngangifila mfethu ukuthi I know ngeke akwazi ukuthi sekuphelile ngami mina ngibe ngana some jokes.
Kwakhala umngane wami e-university wathi fethu thina sifunde e-public school, not even just e-public school, elokishini fethu ama-school fees akhona ayayibhedela, ne-high school same thing, yabo, ne-high school same thing. Manje sesifunda ongoye.
Dude.
Uyacabanga ungoye, hayi UCT, hayi UJ, hayi VET, hayi UKZN, ongoye sibani. Ayikwazi impilo ethu kuphela la nkanyiswa.
Akwazi mfethu.
Noma
Baligoloze.
ngathiwa bra wami njengoba sihleli soba uthula siyazi ukuthi ayigcini la.
No, it can't.
Okwamanje sise kodwa ayikwazi.
Akwazi
ukugcina
ukuthi kuphela kanje.
Fethu uthi uhlelo ongoye inkomo idlulele nje.
Mhlawumbe ngene eklasini.
Sise-university
Oh,
phela la.
ngifunda nembuzi.
Uthi uyavakasha UCT lezi nje lezi zihlala emafletini naseThekwini zihlala emafletini.
Esese,
Ko VET
mfethu.
bahlala emafletini. Wena uthi ushaya iview la.
Inkomo.
Showcase imbuzi. Meh.
Fethu.
No,
Uthi
this is-
ushaya iviews
Ishi kude.
Mashid. Mashe lokugcina ngce ukuthi fethu. Ngeke.
No, I like this conversation because it shows at the end of the day you gotta fight for what you want.
Yeah, things
You know,
work
because
out.
I feel like
bafethu.
about they have a tendency of not to fight for it. It's like they tiptoe around.
Mele
it.
ngiyithole.
I want it, but nah, but
Hey, but
You know what I mean?
Shepherd i-system bafethu ebulala abantu.
yeah.
Bafethu i-system iyababulala abantu iyabaqoba. Yabona lento ukuthi ulindele u350 awenzi khona emunye umjido sando kuye egagasini. Owenza angazi wenza amakinati noma wenzani stang. Ngale mali ya 350. Wayithatha le mali washaya business. Manje uyiphushela ibusiness I think umuntu Biltong noma wenzani I'm not sure whether makinati noma Biltong. Usando kuyenza an interview ku Gagas. Yazi into engishoyo. Wena ulindele usikudabukele. Wena ulindele usikudabukele ukuthi mina bafethu ngakhula
Kodwa vele yazi kumnandi
nje.
mfethu.
Hayi ngeke.
Mnandi mpahla yo.
No leyanto
Dabukele,
ngeke
mfethu,
ngekwazi.
wena nje nkosisheme.
No, ibalekile lento esho Shepherd ijulile futhi baya-enjoy abantu.
Enjoy abantu because bayazi mangilokhuze kuwena.
Le mpahla kuba i-victim e-South Africa, abantu ba ama-victim e-South Africa.
Sho nje into grand le kumele.
So beka there are people who went through the similar situation like you usixoxela yona last time but usasikhalela namanje
Exactly.
ngoba ufuna simdabukele.
Yeah.
So abantu bayafuna ukudabukelwa ngayo
Yabona le
yonke
feeling
into.
imnandi feeling.
It's like the biggest excuse for you
Yes.
to don't do anything about your life
Exactly.
or about yourself.
But let me tell to those people, whoever they are, Mabelalel, wait. To those people, if they ever come across this video, let me tell you, there's no place in your mention, in a moment where you are successful or where people are just like, uyenze kanjani? Turning incheng enhlebeni. Umnandi kakhulu ukudatshukela kuleso sport. Kusuyetha. Yabo uma ufuna ukudatshukelwa vele ube grand, uthola abangala aba grand uphumelele. Kumnandi ukudatshukela uphumelele. Kumnandi. Yeah. Yabo ufuna ukudatshukelwa hayi kuntswembu. Kuntswembu kakhulu masula. Lwelani lokho ke bafethu.
Bafethu they cry.
All
Bakhale
the time,
ngama
man.
opportunity, bakhale
All the time.
ngani. Uthi uyabuka
Government.
umuntu ubuza uthi
All the time.
wenzani nje usukhala kangaka? What are you doing?
Everybody's crying in South Africa, bro.
But because ibuyela back to la point kaShepherd ukuthi abanye abantu abafuni ngisho nokulinda ke manje.
Yeah.
Yes usuwenze yonke into, wenza yonke into, yabo? Sekumele ulinde iprocess yokuthi hayi ke hlupheka ke manje lesi sikhathi esincane, awusafuni, usufuna ukuyodayisa umzimba.
But yazi bafethu khona lama video fethu abakhona kulentuza mfethu. La umuntu efika eshaye agubha mase sefikile eDiamondini vela jig. Kanti usefikile vele.
Bashaya lo mpahla.
Cabanga lo video ke njalo uma usubona ngathi ungalahla intambo ucabanga ukuthi ihlambe bese
That's a scary thing
sekusele.
that's a scary thing about something that you're trying to chase or you're trying to build. Ukuthi somehow you may think that fuck it, I've tried everything.
Sebugrand kanti
And that
sekusela.
was just like close. Ukuthi ipope lento.
Cede kancane.
And akhona it's not like futhi ufuna ukuthi ipope. You know, you
Just ukuthi ube
Nala
nje.
moment
yeah, there's
validation.
that thing
Usendleleni
ukuthi
right.
I've been building this thing and
Sure.
I love the hardship, the ups and downs. But now it's like, okay, cool. If I get a win, it's a cherry on top because so like right now, you don't even care about the win
Bakuhleka
anymore.
abantu bangabhili vele
Yeah,
lento
like
yakho.
awusona ndawo le win. Usona lento ukuthi kuse. Okay, fine. Ngifuna ukubona ukuthi mayenzeka lento. Kuzokwenzana. Yabo?
Sure.
Because now we have been through
Ups and
tours and
downs
all of
and
these
what.
things. So it's like, okay, now. Because in the beginning, I'm finding it to we funa leya win.
Right.
Hey, bakukhumula endleleni, bakukhumula endleleni noma access no
Yeah,
longer
yeah,
but to
right.
win now anymore. I just want to see now
Ukukhombisa
ukuthi
ke.
say
Izophelela.
izophelela blend. You know.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys.
Bafethu mina ngintshayele nje. Kuningi bafethu. You just have to make a decision. Nami kokuhlethu kwabantu ngakushiwe lokushini ngisamncane. Hey lokhu kuphaphile. Nani lokhu kuphaphile yabo? Lokhu kuphaphile kuthiwa nje lona ethu hayi ngeke asiqede isikole ingane engalentuzile yabo engakabi nengane ona ngeke asiqede isikole indlela aphaphe ngayo what ngathi yabo laba angisenzeli mina kuphela lokuthi ekhaya kube grand sengifuna ukubakhombisa ukuthi ayikho lento abashoyo abakwazi ukungitshela ukuthi future yami njani.
But how do you feel like when you around the location and you njengobungaka manje and you don't have a kid where most of abantu emalokishini futhi baney'ngane nga-4 nga-3 nga-6
I don't even focus on those things. Ngihlezi ngisho ukuthi yazi bafethu
i-pressure uyifeel wena.
yeah nyokuba nengane anginamali ufuna ukuba nengane mase nginemali ngizowenzani nami ngikwathi bafethu ngeke kwazi no I can't no for me there is no pressure because njalo mangiselokishini ngihlezi ngitshela bafethu yini nje singayenza bafethu la singathola imali bafethu la mangingekho ibifunctiona la elokishini basho bese umuntu sangifuna ukwenza ukuthi khona amajita segrand manje into esaqale siyikhuluma nje kanje lightly nje siyixoxele elokishini khona abantu abazenza lezo zinto lezo I guess every woman has neform nje manje angiyazi ukuthi ngiqhamukaphi but it's just normal ngiba nayo ama episodes ngingathi mfethu yazi mhlawumbe ube ngebabazi lami nje mfethu nengane incosi yabo great but kuzoyenza ngesikhathi because I understand those things ukuthi yonke into inesikhathi.
Hayi bafethu ngeke kumele siyivale hayi
Uthi kodwa ngathi khona into befuna ukuyisho.
Ubufuna ungiphikisana noTed?
Hayi no ngathi seceleni khona into beyimudla. Hayi kubonile khona la usale khona.
No bafethu bangifuna ukuthi nje bese sivala ukuthi abantu bakithi abafocus kuma-genius wabo bangabheka abanye abantu bheka omunye umuntu vese ungekuse ndawo and I know futhi abantu bazothi noma sebebuka le mpahla bathi asazi lutho izinto esikhuluma ngazo and stuff so angithi yabo onendlebe uzozo
Sure.
sithi kuphela thina mfethu ubhekana nejeni yakho and ungayeki ukuzama ama sekuthiwa sekunzima kanjani because awulazi kusasa likuphatheleni.
Cha futhi awulazi kwampela.
much sure.
Sure.
Yavala.
Cabanga nje. Phuma emkhukhwini ngishaya isingisi esinjani. Manje phuma emkhukhwini ngishaya into egrand.
This thing triggers me because I come from a very disadvantaged background, yabo.
Sure.
But at the same time, I live with people that I used to hear about on radio. You get it? So I remember very well, I used to listen to Isidore Sango 3 at some point. Kudlula ibhasi ngasekhaya 3 every time. And I'd listen, ngizwa amagama kumention abantu osibanibani yabo. But one thing in me, that's why I think it's journey abantu ayifani. I've never leaned on anyone about anything. I've always believed what I think about would happen one day in life. I would find myself ngiphuma ekhaya and do something for myself. I believed at a very young age I would never work for anyone but myself.
Right.
Yabo? There was no opportunities. There was not even a single idea ukuthi mengase ngikhulume noba, there was no one to talk to because ngasekhaya akekho umuntu bengithi successful ngale ndlela ebengifuna ngayo yabo. Wonke umuntu besebenzela omunye umuntu. Yabo? I didn't know where it's going to come from. I never had an idea. Yabo? There's a time where I used to hoye ngibele istimela, it took me an hour ukusuka la ngisuka khona ngize down. Yabo? There's a time where ngagula khona down ngaquleka down. I did so many things ukuthi ngifike la ngikhona yabo. But ukuthi background yami, you don't choose ukuthi
Uzalwe la.
so it's not up to you. But ingqondo yakhe izokuthatha ikubeke. Also another thing, I always say this, positioning yourself. Position is important. Yabo? Where you are right now, zwana abantu phela bazoku-influence ukuthi wenze izinto right. Awukwazi ukuthi uthi wena ufuna ukuba somewhere phesheya, but right now uhleli nabantu abakudonsela emuva. Yabo? It doesn't work like that.
You
Yabo?
have to be
Mina
strict.
ngagxekwa ekhaya. My own family used to say sengiphungukile ekhaya. It's listening to people that distract you. Omunye umuntu ukuthi ufuna ukuthini ngawe. Omunye umuntu, my own parents, they used to say sengiphungukile ekhaya ngibalekile ekhaya la ngikhona, but I knew la ngihleli khona mina ngenza into right. Because I'm not doing it for them, I'm doing it for myself.
Right.
Yabo? Abazali inkinga banenkinga ukufuna usiphilisa impilo zabo aba ezahluleka kubona. Yabo?